Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play workshop maps on Rocket League. So first you will need BakkesMod plugin to do this. So you're going to go to bakkesplugins.com, then choose this BakkesMod and press download BakkesMod. After that you will have this zip folder which you want to go ahead and extract. Then you will have this folder BakkesMod setup and you're going to press on it 2 times and just go ahead and install it. Now, once you will install it, you will see this message here that they are waiting for you to open up Rocket League, so do that, and before that, press File and open BakkesMod folder. Now, after that, you want to create a new folder, so just press New and Folder, and you want to go ahead and name it Workshop Maps, just like I did, right there. And after that, open it up and copy this path directory. So just go ahead and copy it, and you can now close. So now you want to open up Rocket League. Now, once you have opened Rocket League, press F2 or FNF2, depends on your keyboard, and you will see BakkesMod settings. Then you want to press Plugins and Workshop Map Loader. After that, you want to press Open Plugin Window, and here, where you see you put the path, you want to go ahead and paste that path you just copied from the game directory and save the path. After that, you want to press Search Workshop right there, and you can go ahead and write down anything. Let's, for example, write down rings and search for it. And you will see here it is, all of the ring maps you can go ahead and install. So let's, for example, install this map, Fractal Tree Rings, and download it. After that, as you can see, it started to download. So now all you need to do is press Refresh Maps right there, and you will see your installed maps. Now to play it, of course, just press on it. And here you have it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.